What is microservices architecture? Microservices is an architectural style where an application is built as a collection of small independent services. Each service performs a specific business functions, runs independently, has its own database, can be developed and deployed separately, communicates through API. Example, an e-commerce application can have separate services for user management, product catalog, orders, payments, and notifications. What is a monolithic architecture? In a monolithic architecture, all features are developed as a single application, single code base, single deployment unit, shared database. Problems difficult to scale, slow deployments, technology limitations, failure in one module can affect the whole application. Monolithic versus microservices. Monolithic, single application, single deployment, shared database, hard to scale. In microservices, multiple small services, independent deployment, separate databases, easy scaling. Why microservices? Organizations adopt microservices because they provide faster deployment, independent deployment, better scalability, technology flexibility, improved fault isolation, and easier maintenance. Key characteristics of microservices: single responsibility, independent deployment, decentralized data management, API based communication, fault isolation, scalability, continuous delivery support. Microservices architecture diagram. Client will hit to API gateway and API gateway hit to user service, product service, order service, payment service, and notification service. Not and all services will hit separate databases. Example, each services own its data and communicates using REST API. Communication between microservices. Microservices communicate using synchronous communication. In synchronous application, it can communicate by REST APIs and HTTP protocol. In asynchronous communication, we can use message queues and event-driven architecture. Let's see benefits. Loose coupling, better performance, and reliability. Advantages of microservices. Independent deployment, better scalability, faster deployment cycle, improved fault tolerance, technology diversity, easier maintenance, and better team productivity. Challenges of microservices: complex architecture, network latency, data consistency issue, monitoring complexity, security challenges, increase of operational overhead. Let's see real world examples. Popular companies using microservice like as Netflix, Amazon, Uber, Spotify, LinkedIn. Why they use microservices? Handle millions of users, scale services independently, faster feature release. Tools commonly used: Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, Eureka Server, API Gateway, Docker, Kubernetes, Kafka, and Jenkins. When to use microservices? Use microservices when application is large and complex, multiple deployment teams exist, high scalability is required, frequent deployment are needed. Avoid when project is small, team is small, requirements are simple. Future of microservices, current trend. cloud native applications, containerization, Kubernetes, serverless computing, AI driven architecture. Let's say conclusion. Microservices architecture enables organizations to build, scale, maintenance, and resilient applications. Key takeaways: break applications into small services, deploy services independently, scale efficiently, improve deployment speed, support modern cloud native applications. Thank you.